We go get freezing, Lana.
You're so cute.
That's too much.
Like she there fighting with a bird.
I'm watching you. Again, little one.
Oh my.
And that, folks, is Florida style.
Wait, Dominic. They how a true monkey climb, y'all. Basically, all that weight on you, go ahead and get down. All that weight, go break it down. Hey, yeah, let me show y'all how a true monkey climb. What you want to do first step? Get your grip. Hey, you want to come on that.
Yeah, let me take this weight off.
Alright. Yeah, then you want to just chill up there.
You better climb.
Like a real monkey.
No, take the weight off. But I can't put it down nowhere.
Somebody pick me up. Nigga, flick me up.
That's more weight.
Where my phone at?
I don't have
Alright.
Jovi has
Flick me up. Hey, bro, how you doing?
Somebody take a picture. You probably need to take the slides off.
Nigga, where your phone at?
Sandy, let me see your phone.
Where is my phone? Oh, Jovi got it too. Hey. Why your phone can't take pictures? Never mind. Why your phone? Never mind.
No, I got it.
The real thing is, I don't want to mess up the bottom of my shoes.
Somebody give me that phone. I want to take a picture from up here. That's hard.
Oh yeah, my phone.
Let me take a picture from up here.
Here, I'll do CC.
Dang, bro, I can't do it. You like that?
From up there. Oh, from up there? Yeah, no. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. No, I'll take a picture of that.
He already wanted a picture.
I'll take a picture of that here for him.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Evening, give it to him.
That man trying to come up here.
Ron, take the phone.
You got to pass for the phone.
Hey, don't drop my phone.
Don't drop that phone.
Okay, we got you.
Okay. You have to see the right, Lana? Scary. Come up there.
Yo, baby.
That was scared for him.
Well, I held on to this back so close. Yeah, I want to now.
Hey, I'm trying to get up there.
Let's see what I think it's just.
How? Like my butt. Wait, you want? Never mind, I'm someone's
Hold on,
mother.
baby. Hold on.
I got somebody to live for.
Come on.
No,
Come on.
I don't want to mess up my shoes. No, I'm scared now.
Ron, give me my phone.
Oh, damn. You know what's her phone?
No, it's okay. Alana, your mom is trying to get up the tree right now.
Nigga, come here and catch it. Come right here.
Evening, can you catch it?
Thank you for being a real one.
Alright, now. You gotta come right here. This is so high.
Are you scared? It's okay. You could do it.
I want to jump in the water.
No.
You can. You don't want to be jumping down there.
I didn't get it though.
Come on, Sean.
Don't jump.
What are you doing?
Go higher, bro.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you. You want to get? Oh, you ain't get it off. Get down.
Sunday.
Hey, just slide down.
Your turn.
Yeah, slide down.
Just slide down.
Yeah,
Like,
slide down.
just go down like
Turn
this.
around. Let me see your butt.
Go down like this. This is above my pay grade.
Your pants okay? Okay, come on.
It's only tall because you're tall. It only like seems high. I mean,
Because
because you're short is
Alright,
what he's
that's
trying to say.
Alright, watch out.
Alex said you're short. That's why it seems.
No, I never said she was.
Woo!
I need to go get.
Wow. You're too tall.
They call me a monkey. I ain't gonna lie, that's tough right there. That's tough. Somebody pick me up. Hey, man,
Oh, I remember those days. We literally lived like that. That was crazy.
Now we just.
Hopping in the car with random strangers. Random. It's Jovi walking with a purpose for me. She got somewhere to be.
Lexi's finna go now, guys. She's putting her stuff down. Oh, Ron, do it again? Yeah. Ooh.
No, you won't catch me.
Yeah. Woo! Hey! Woo! Okay. Oh, boo!
Joey? Okay. Whoa! You did it! Do it again, I didn't catch you. Come on, Ron. Good job. She's down there. Did she go to get your dad? She's down there with Bella. All right, come on, Mika, your turn.
What am I doing?
Run and jump.
Oh no, my phone. Whose phone is that?
Oh, that's Shandi's. Wait, whose phone is that? Is that Ron's?
Alright, my turn.
Okay, Mika's turn. Woo! It's how Mika turns away from the camera every time.
Y'all talking about the longest. Dominic, no.
I can't do it. My eye. Too much pressure. The pressure like,
What?
it's like my eye poking out when I do that.
Sandy's literally walking. What the heck?
Do it, bro. My eye.
Sandy, you and Sandy are the only ones who can walk with it.
I want to smoke, Mika. Well, I could have really won this time, but
You're gonna win.
She's doing it.
Yay! Dominic, no! Stop!
Is that Uncle E?
Yeah, that's him.
all right, come on.
Where's Shauna at?
Too big for this.
Yeah, we can walk. Wait.
Okay,
Down. Set.
And she was still up there.
let's go. Come on, let's go.
Ooh. I feel strain on my shoulder. I'll do it for a hot chew.
Oh, right. Come on, bro. Come on, you start over. Start over from where he loses.
This is the prize, guys. It's big.
Slow and steady wins the race. I quit.
Mika, stop quitting.
Sandy gonna get it.
Alright. No more starting over. But you gotta
Just start back.
Yeah, start from where you fell.
Start from where you fall. Mika even fall gracefully.
Her legs go.
She falls in a way that she can get herself back up quickly.
Did I get it? Yes.
Johnny said, mind you.
whatever.
Hey, Eve.
I cannot do a handstand. I need a stretch. Let me go stretch up.
No. I put that under my bag. They call you what?
Need for speed.
Period. Stop throwing up gang signs. I don't know who you with or who you repping. Don't do that. Ooh. Need for Speed is running. Dang, Jovi. God bless you guys.
Alana, they tried me. They said, tag, you're it. I said, no. Tag, you're it. Alana was on my side.
Just got Dominic. You said what?
I don't know how to fight, but I know how to run.
She said it's
That's
the
a
same
skill.
exact way. Get up. Alex look like he praising the Lord. Out of breath. Alex. Alex. You okay? You're relaxing?
I did my training. I just saw my beautiful handstands that I attempted. Y'all want to see my purpose?
Alright, come on.
Putting up the video, the handstands that I did.
Oh,
But just let them know it was beautiful.
they'll see it. Okay, I'm a stop shot it.
So they'll see it. No,
By the way, guys, we're leaving the park now. We're crossing. Okay. But yeah. Period. Outro?